I think today I need a little palate cleanser because I've been working on my orc army for almost the whole month now, which honestly is still fun, but I want to keep it fun. So I think it's a good idea to switch gears a little bit and to get a bit of, well, let's just say, pointless creating. So, let's see if there is anything interesting. This is something. 3D printed dwarf. What do we have here? Oh no, nothing happened. The arm was already snapped off. There are also hanging a few miniatures here, but there is nothing really here that sparks my curiosity. Maybe it's time to finally look at this. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Now, I bought this a while ago on eBay, which is a wonderful bits collection with so many various parts. Wait a minute, that's not the only stuff I got. There was more. All right, yeah. The whole reason for this exercise is just to find something that inspires me to make something. Yeah, I think the best idea is to simply lay it all out on the table and just start with it. Yeah, this looks good. And this as well. We have a horse. No. It seems to me that most of the stuff are either elves or... Oh, look, here's an imperial guy. Oh, he's also pretty nice. Huh. I think we found our first part. Maybe we are going to build something undead. Looks like a seating position. I think we will take this. Yes. I have a great idea, I think. All right, let's first find a fitting base. One of those. So, my idea is basically we have a skeleton sitting, and this should reflect more or less the idea of an old weary warrior who's too exhausted to keep on fighting, or something pretentiously poetic like that. I think I will simply start by gluing the skeleton in place. Or maybe I should cover the slot first. Yeah. I do need something for this guy to sit on. Could take something simple like this here. Yeah, but it needs to be a bit higher. Something like that. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's definitely a good start. All right. Now for the torso, I have to remove a bit of stuff. The great thing about making undead miniatures is like you don't have to be too precise when you cut stuff away, because it all looks like, well, undead stuff anyway. A bit of milliput. Let's find a few arms. Well, I think I will go with this. Honestly, I should have mixed some sprue glue before this. Okay, now the other side. Oh, he could rest his hand on a shield. Yeah, my shield variation is a bit lacking, to be perfectly honest. What if we take one of these and add a bit of dark elf symbolism to it. Alright, we have this hand here and it's supposed to be resting on this shield. Now, working on this kind of reminded me of something that an art professor once told me. I had the pleasure of interviewing him for a little short film, and he told me that art itself is, in his opinion, inherently something that exists without a reason. That doesn't mean that art is pointless, as I so eloquently put it in my intro. It's more like that it exists because you wanted to create it. It's not like that you needed like a specific gaming piece or you wanted to craft a table for your living room, but it's more like it's something that you felt the urge to do. And this is exactly the idea behind this piece. I mean, I probably will never play with this, and I don't even know if I'm going to paint this. I felt like I wanted to do something different today. I felt like I needed to do something different today. And I think this is a good way to recharge your batteries sometimes, especially if you have like big long-term projects like painting an army or like building an army that has a completely different vibe. I really like the story here. I really like what came out of it. And again, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to paint this or not. Maybe I do, but this will be something for Matt from tomorrow to decide.